Hey everybody, my name is Habanero. You can call me Hobson.
My name is Charles Ream. People just call me Sreem.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make habanero ice cream. For this, you're going to need some heavy whipping cream, a cup of white sugar, about a tablespoon of vanilla, and like 5-ish habaneros. So my friend Sreem here will be demonstrating how to cut the habaneros for this ice cream. And if you even think about using a cheap knife for something like this, I will no longer be your best friend. To prepare the habaneros, you're going to want to take the stem off of each one. And then cut them in half. And then we are going to deseed these because habaneros are very hot. You may keep the seeds in if you wish. And then we're going to want to put these into the pot. And remember everybody, these peppers are extremely hot, so be careful not to eat them. Alright, there's no particular order that you need to put these ingredients in, but I'm going to start with the sugar. And then the cream. These are 3 pints, so in total 6 cups. So I only need 2.5 of these. Now I'm going to stir it to incorporate the sugar. Now the vanilla. This is actually just vodka with vanilla beans in it, and then it sits for like about a year. And that's a tablespoon. Now we're going to take it over to the burner. And we just need to let that boil now. After the cream boils, you're going to want to let it sit in the pot with the habaneros for 25 minutes to let it seep. And then you're going to want to take it out of the pot into a separate container and put it into the fridge and let it cool down completely, probably at least a couple hours. And then afterwards, you're going to want to put it into the mixing or churning bowl, which you need to have it be in the freezer overnight or from the day before, so it's completely frozen. And then after the cream is completely cool, you put it into the bowl, and then you put it into the machine for at least 25 minutes. And then you take it out of the machine, and then you put it into a container, and then you put it in the freezer for probably at least a day to set up. But it will be edible and ice cream as soon as it's out of the mixer.
Hello again, everybody. My name is Sreem, and this here is my friend
Jalapeno.
Yep. And we are going to be testing the ice cream. Now, Haba Nelson couldn't make it today because he came down with a really bad case of not very smart. So we'll just have to go on without him. On to the testing. Alright, so the criteria of our judgment today is going to be number 1, flavor. Number 2, balance between flavor and spice. Number 3, how comfortable is that spice? Number 4, how good is it overall? And the 5th and final is, could this solve world hunger? Alright, let's get straight to it. Are you joking? Alright. I guess I'll be judging the ice cream today. So, first of all, flavor. It is very much just like vanilla ice cream. So I would give it a 9 out of 10 on flavor. Balance between flavor and spice, I'd say, is pretty good. Slightly leaning towards the spice side of it. So that's like a 7 out of 10. The comfort of the spice. Right at first, there is absolutely nothing. Then it comes on pretty strong later on and fades to a very comfortable level. So I'd give that a 9. Overall goodness, I would definitely eat this on my own time. So 10. And could this save world hunger? The answer is no.
Oh, Habanero.
Yes, Stream? What is this?
This is a milk dud. A totally normal milk dud.
Thank you. Okay, wait. After the cream is completely cool, what you're going to want to do is take out the bowl from the freezer that's been freezing overnight, and then you're going to want to put the cream into the bowl.
Oh, sorry, wrong house.
Wait. I got just the thing. You can help me with something.